Today I'm going to share with you how to set up multi-currency in Moneyworks Go. Moneyworks Go by default will not enable the multi-currency features. So today I'm going to share with you how to set up multi-currency features. You can either click a document preference from here under setting up, or you can go to edit document preference. So there are both ways that you can do, and they will come straight into this menu. Now what you need to do is that you make sure that you click on this local/currency tab. As for me, this localization is Singapore GST, and in order to enable the multi-currency in this Moneyworks Go, you need to check on this button. Make sure that you click on this. There's a check, and this will enable the multi-currency in your Moneyworks Go, and then you just click OK. So once that is done, I will just cancel for me. Once that is done, you need to set up the currency that you are going to use. So next step is to click show currency. Okay, show currency, and here you can see I have set up Australian dollar and Malaysian ringgit in my file. So for today I will demo to you. Create new. Let's say we have a customer in US, and we invoice the customer in US dollar. And also, for example, you may purchase something from US, so you can actually set this up as well. So once you click on US dollar, all the default settings will be created for you. For example, the name in US dollar, so you can just accept it. In this unrealized loss gain account, what you need to do is that if your chart of account have not been set up, then you can just create a new one. In my case, I have created one already. I have created this under 9901. Account type is income. Put it as unrealized gain loss account. So I can just click use. In your case, if you have not created this unrealized gain account under account type income, you can just click this new, and then type the codes that you prefer. So any codes that maybe start with 9999, for example, and then just type the descriptions as unrealized gain loss, and then make sure that the account type is income. Text code should be asterisk, and then just click OK. Then you will have this account code created for you. In my case, I will just click this unrealized gain loss, and then I just click use, and then typically this currency gain account will create for you as well. I can show you to you again. Just click tab, and then in my case I have created this 99, or the system created for me, 9900 currency gain account. This is under expenses, as you can see the account type. Just click use, and then exchange rate. So you can key in the today exchange rate for US dollar, for example. This is my own guess, maybe around 0.7902, and this rate will become a system rate when you create an invoice or any purchases later on. And by default, a bank account will be created by Moneyworks Go, and this is actually to facilitate a account receivable and account payable. So just click OK for that, even though if you don't have the real account, this is a must. Next, if you receive or send invoice in US dollar, so you need to click both. And if you just for example send invoice in US dollar, so you just uncheck this. So again, this account receivable control code will be created by default for you. So what you need to do is just click OK. You can see that US dollar account currency has been created for you with the exchange rate. So I will show you then, for example, that if you have a customer and you are going to invoice them in US dollar, so what you need to do is that you will go and create a customer and in US dollar, for example. So you can create one, let's say Marina Bay Private Limited, and then you're going to bill them in US dollar. So you just choose US dollar. So make sure that under the customer setup in this pricing and terms, you must make sure that the currency is in US dollar. So in this case, you are going to invoice them in US dollar, even though your bank you only accept Singapore dollar. So you just set up the customer currency first and click OK. Then when you create, let's say for example, a sales invoice, new sales invoice, you can see once you choose a Marina Bay Private Limited, in this case, the US dollar amount will be automatically come out when you do the invoice. And you can see also here the exchange rate has been taken as a system rate here. And if you need to change the rate for today or when you're going to invoice your customer, then you can just click this and then uncheck this use system rate at posting time, so you can change the rate here. Okay, so that's about all on how to set up multi-currency features in Moneyworks Go. Thanks for your time.